Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Cool song here from Connor Price and Forrest Frank. This one is called Up. So we're gonna have some ups here in this song with the strumming or so. But anyway, let's take a look at this nice song with this little bit different rhythm here. It could be some jazzy or bossa nova. I'm not really sure there, but anyway, we're gonna use a capo set here on the 3rd fret, and with that we have 3 chords: A minor, F, and E. So capo on 3rd, let's go over the chords. Starting with A minor here, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F, so that's a bar chord. You place the index on the 1st fret, you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna go this chord by chord. So I'm gonna play A minor, down, clap, down. So down, clap, down. This last down in A minor is optional. If you don't have time, because it will be a very fast switch to the next chord here, you can skip that actually and just play down, clap. So it's up to you there. I try to aim for the last down as well. So down, clap, down. So okay, then you switch, like I said, very fast to the next chord, the F in this case, and play down, up, clap. Just like that, so down, up, clap. And then you switch to the next and final chord, the E, and play down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So it's a little bit of a short pause in between the down ups here. The F was just straight down, up, clap, and then E, down, up, clap, times 2. So down, up, clap, and pause. And then you start a new round. So slowly, A minor goes like this, A minor, F, and E. All right, and the standard. Alright, I also like to incorporate my fingers, so if you don't want to play downs and ups, straight downs and ups like this, like a strumming pattern, I prefer to pick actually. It could sound like something like this. A little bit softer sound, a little bit of this swangy and jazzy, perhaps bossa nova, like I mentioned. I'm not sure the terms there, but anyway, you're gonna play the same patterns here, but instead of playing downs and so, I pick the strings. So I pick the first down, and then I don't clap on A minor. I answer instead with the higher notes down here from the chord. Just pick them like this. So bass, pick, and then back to bass. So the A minor is bass, top, bass. Okay, so. And then I go to F, bass, top. Instead of down, up, I play the bass, top, and clap. And then to E, I go bass, top, clap, bass, top, clap. Okay, so that is one round slowly with the picking. Goes. And it's your choice, either if you go with a straight strumming version of it or picking version. It's up to you. It sounds pretty much the same, so do what is the most convenient way of playing for you. Connor Price, Forrest Frank, Up. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Goring Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.